Stop! Are you wasting money on hundreds of products to use this summer? Well, you don't have to. You can get a radiant, glowing skin just by using these 3 products. Yes, you heard it right. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hiya. Today I'm going to share my 3 steps morning skincare routine for this summer. So, let's start the video without any delay. At first, I use a gentle cleanser that contains no exfoliant active ingredients. I highly recommend using this simple refreshing facial wash. This is the most gentle face wash I have ever used. It has a gel-like texture which is perfect for all skin types for this summer. This face wash has no color or perfume or any harsh chemicals, so it's good for sensitive and dry skin. But I love to use this cleanser on my oily skin as well because it is non-comedogenic. In short, this face wash is one of the few face washes that suits all skin types, and it's also affordable. I bought this one for only 200 rupees. Then I pat dry my face using a clean towel. Next, I use an antioxidant like vitamin C serum. I recommend the vitamin C serum from Deconstruct because this one feels like I am applying drops of water on my face. It gets absorbed in just 5 seconds and it's also lightweight. It helps to fade pigmentation and acne marks that I have on my face. Most importantly, using an antioxidant like vitamin C serum prior to your sunscreen can optimize your SPF. Means it helps your sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. You can also use a hyaluronic acid or Nia-Ceramide serum if you don't want to use a vitamin C serum for your dry and sensitive skin. Then I wait for 20 to 30 seconds for that serum to get absorbed into my skin completely, and after that I use a gel or water based sunscreen. I highly recommend using the Moody Hydroburst sunscreen, which gives a cooling sensation and feels nothing on my face. It has a milky texture that gives me a natural glow without making my skin oily or sweaty even in high humidity. This one is super underrated, so I had to mention this product, and I bought it only for 300 rupees. There is another sunscreen recommendation I have, that is the Deconstruct Gel Sunscreen, and this one is actually perfect for oily skin in summer. You can also use an oil-free moisturizer like this one before applying your sunscreen if you have dry or sensitive skin. I have an oily skin, that's why I prefer not to use a moisturizer during summer because my skin feels heavy after applying any kind of moisturizer. That's it. My 3-step skincare routine is done. This will only take about 5 minutes to do, and dear men, you can also follow this simple routine as well because your skin needs care too. I hope it helps. Subscribe for more. I will see you in my next video. Tata.